Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll see how easy it is to book low-cost airline flights in Nova fully aligned with your company's travel policy. Nova simplifies everything, from searching to booking, while applying your company's policies automatically and removing payment complexity. Let's explore the first scenario within policy booking and no approval needed. Let's plan a trip to London. Enter your trip details, origins, dates, cabin, and preferences. Direct flights only, preferred times or airlines. Additionally, Nova allows you to add or select your frequent flyer card. Nova returns all available options that match your policy and clearly labels non-refundable, restricted, or out of policy. Once selected the flight, you can use the fare families to compare what each fare includes: baggage, seat selection, changes, and more, so you pick the best value. Select your preferred option. Fill in traveler details, then review included services. You can choose preferred seat options and add ancillaries such as baggage or priority boarding. Because this option is in policy, no approval is needed and you can finalize the booking. That's it. Nova creates the reservation, sends a confirmation email, and lets you add the trip to your calendar. No manual steps. The second scenario is applicable for general or outside policy. If outside policy approval is applicable for your profile, only out-of-policy selections needed. If your profile uses general approval, every booking requires approval. Choose your flight as before. For low-cost bookings, if a general approval profile applies or the offer is out of policy, you'll see Request Assistance instead of Finalize. Add a short message for your approver context like event name or reason and submit. Your company's key account manager receives the request with all booking details. They review and assist with completing the reservation. You'll be notified when it's confirmed. With Nova, corporate travelers get a smooth, guided, policy-compliant experience, especially when booking low-cost airlines. Thank you for watching this Nova Corporate Self-Booking Tool video.